After 2 months of trying to make games, my approach has changed from when I started. In the beginning, I was super hyped on doing everything on my own. But that's just too much for a single developer. Even if you keep up the motivation until the end, you will end up with a game that looks like an asset flip. Of course, there are exceptions, but I'm not taking my chances. In order for a game to be successful, the player should have an amazing experience when playing it. In order for the player to have an amazing experience, no part of the game should be lacking. There should be an amazing story, music, game mechanics, and they all have to fit together. There should also be some kind of marketing of the game, because who will play it if no one knows it exists? It's almost impossible for a single developer to be good in everything. That's why I'm switching my focus on what I'm good at. I will no longer waste my time on how to make good YouTube videos, how to 3D model, animate, create music, or how to build a business. I will focus on what I'm good at, and that is math and programming. The plan is to build amazing game mechanics, where usually people are put off from the math and code, and document my journey in this channel without any other motive. If I manage to create value from my knowledge and earn money in some way, I'll start hiring people who are good in the parts that I'm lacking, like 3D modeling, editing videos, creating stories, etc. I study computer science in university. I have programmed all my life different coding projects. This is who I am. I'm not an artist, a musician, nor a YouTuber. I'm a programmer, and I will focus on building projects that spotlight my strengths, not my weaknesses. Thank you for watching.